So guys, again in Wenjing Energy, and I'm here with Ricky, who is Junchin, and he explains what we are now doing here.
So we have our large power fuel cell stack, 160 kilowatts. So after we assemble it, we are now doing the leak test, which is you test the anode cathode, you put in the gas, and then you see the pressure change. If there's no pressure change or very little pressure change within a certain amount of time, then we think the stack is okay.
And is this stack now under pressure? Where do we see this? Here?
Here.
And
The
what does
stack
it
is
say?
Under pressure. It's 300 Pa.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so and how long are you testing this pressure test?
I think we test it for like 20 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Thank you for sharing this.
Okay.
So guys, now we are at the very core of Wenjing Energy, and it is a very special thing for us to present this to you because not many people get an insight into the development department of Chinese companies like Wenjing. And we again have Ricky here explaining us what they are doing, because you see here that we are now testing the fuel cell. So Ricky, what are we seeing here?
Right now we are testing our short stack. This short stack has 25 cells, has about 10 kilowatts power output. So right now we are running, we call it a pole curve. So our nominal power current density is at 2000 amps per 2.0 amps per centimeter square. So we run 20 points, every 0.1 amps per centimeter square we run it. So we run 20 points. Each point we run for about 10 minutes. So the whole thing is called a pole curve. So after the stack is running pole curve, we know how good the stack is, if there's any problem with the stack.
And what are these numbers showing?
These numbers, one is the resistance. The second one is the voltage.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here you have the hydrogen supply.
Yeah, we have hydrogen supply and oxygen supply. So this thing is air supply. The other one is hydrogen supply. The middle one is the coolant supply.
Right. Okay, and probably the test results are promising.
Yes, we developed very good fuel cell stacks, guys.
Okay, thank you for giving this insight, Rick.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, things are getting bigger here. So I have here the director, Peng Feng, and he explains to us now the fuel cell system Wenjing Energy is producing.
This is our 155 kilowatts fuel cell system. It can be used in ship, in power station, in heavy trucks. Yeah.
Great. So it's completely built on your own with the stack of your company. You buy the converter from a supplier.
The fuel cell stack is our Wenjing Energy,
Yeah.
and our components are buy, but the whole system is designed by ourselves.
Right.
Yeah.
And what is unique about this system compared to other fuel cell systems that exist in the market?
Its durability.
Okay.
It's over the 150 100 hours, and its efficiency is over the 45%.
Okay. And this is already tested with customers in heavy duty applications, or where do you apply this?
This is our the second generation's product. It has already sent to the customer and have already done some tests on the vehicle.
Great. So let us shortly look at the system design. So I think we see here the air compressor, and then also the entire
The hydrogen recycle pump.
Yeah, exactly. Here is the filter, the humidifier.
Yeah, the air compressor.
Yeah.
Yeah. The fuel cell control unit,
Yeah.
FCU. Yeah.
Okay, so this is a very compact design,
Yes.
and we will see how much the market will like this, but I think it's a very ambitious company with ambitious goals. So in Europe we talk about a lot how to bring down the hydrogen costs, and even the political price of hydrogen is currently at 10 euros approximately in Europe, but China is thinking ahead. And I have here Ricky from Wenjing Energy, and I want to share the Chinese view about this. So, Ricky, again, tell me, what is the view in China? How cheap must the hydrogen become to make it economy viable, that it really grows?
Yeah. So my view is hydrogen is an essential tool and a pathway to transit a society from the traditional energy into the new energy, because hydrogen is the ultimate clean energy. So me personally, I spent a lot of time in Shanxi province this year. Shanxi province they have a lot of coals, but coal has a lot of air pollution problem. So right now, the whole Shanxi province is experiencing a transition from traditional energy into a new energy. So hydrogen is a very essential pathway.
When do you think will be the breakthrough year for hydrogen? And you explained that this could be the starting point in China where we really see the hydrogen's economy scale up, correct?
I think in order to make hydrogen economy run well, the essential part is the price of hydrogen. So I think for heavy duty truck, the hydrogen price needs to be below 25 yuan per kilogram, which is equivalent to be about 3 euro per kilogram.
And that is the price at the pump, right?
At the pump.
Not the production price.
Not the production price.
What is the current price for hydrogen, gray hydrogen in China, and also green hydrogen?
Yeah. Gray hydrogen obviously is not purified yet. So because we are in Shanxi, we have a joint venture in Shanxi. Shanxi has a lot of coal, so the gray hydrogen price is very cheap. The gray hydrogen price we got is about 1 euro per kilogram. So
at the pump.
At the pump. So I have to purify it. There is also some efficiency loss. So in total, I decided to set the pump price at 2.5 euro per kilogram.
For green hydrogen?
For green hydrogen.
That's your target. And when do you think will that be achievable?
This year in Shanxi province.
Okay.
Yes, we already achieved that.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah.
So, and the breakthrough year, what do you think will be the breakthrough year for fuel cell heavy duty in China?
I think 2027 is a year hydrogen economy will have a breakthrough. That's because one, the hydrogen price is getting cheaper and cheaper in China. Secondly, the fuel cell stack and the equipment price is also getting lower. Thirdly, I think the hydrogen storage system price is also getting lower. So when all these things come together, I think we are getting closer and closer to the hydrogen breakthrough. I think 2027 is a year.
And you mentioned to me that collaboration in the industry is very important, both in China and also internationally. Can you explain to our listeners again why?
Yeah, I think right now the whole fuel cell or hydrogen industry is still relatively in very small size compared to like the solar industry, compared to new energy, battery industry. So I view it as almost no competition right now. Every player in this industry has the responsibility to bring the industry larger. So right now, I view almost no competition, but collaboration. When the industry gets larger and larger, then that's a time when we call it there is some competition.
And I understand that you are also open to collaborate internationally. So if people are interested in your company, Wenjing Energy, they can contact you and then you can have a good discussion whether there is a win-win.
Yeah, we want to collaborate with a lot of overseas companies because we have good products. We also welcome some suppliers to offer good products to us. And like me personally, I spend a lot of years living overseas. I live in US for a lot of years. So I'm a very global view-based person. So we welcome a lot of companies overseas to come to China to do business with us.
Okay, so this is a great ending. Thank you, Ricky.
Okay.
And it's an opportunity for everybody to get to know Ricky. And if you want to get in contact with them, please contact me. We will make the contact. Thank you very much.
Thank you.